idler pulley, that, or there it is. But I think this is a problem here. They're vibrating back and forth. So we're gonna change the idler pulleys. So I got a 1/2 inch in there in the tensioner, and we're just gonna push forward on there and then move it, and we're gonna slide the belt off right here. All right, so 1/2 inch, get it from the top and push forward. Now with the 13 millimeter, single bolts right in the center and pop them loose. Okay, so I took out the other one. Look at this one. Here it's like definitely bad bearings. Here's the other one. Still dirt coming out. Oh yeah, and there's even vibration. Crazy. There's a new one. I'll take this apart. There's a part number. Brand new ones. I should do the tensioner as well. That's next. I'll do the tensioner next. Look at that. Okay. Put this back in there. Oh, that's where my knees crack. Bad knees. So here's the other one right there. You see the shiny part right in the center by the belt. Okay, we're gonna put this one in. Put it in, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, we got this pulley installed. A little dirt on there, I'm gonna wipe it off. That pulley installed. Now time to reroute it and put it back together. See if it fixed the problem. Everything's back on. Real quick drop. Let's go and start her up. Oh yeah, gone. Smooth sounding gone. On the rock. So it's kind of scary to diagnose this problem, because either it's gonna be your idler pulleys or your power steering pump. And it was so strange because it would so it was really kind of difficult to diagnose until I saw the actual idler pulley wobbling back and forth. And so time to clean up. She's done. Less than 30 minutes. Here's the part numbers once again. Here's the part numbers. Bad pulleys. All set. Thank you guys. Until the next one.